Welcome to this tutorial on how to assign products to your Askflow quiz. This step is crucial for guiding your visitors to the right products based on their responses. So let's get started. When you've completed your quiz scenario and you're ready to recommend products, simply add a product recommendation step. Upon clicking the product recommendation step, a sidebar will appear on the right. This sidebar represents your Shopify product catalog. From here, you can select the products or the variants that you want to recommend to your quiz visitors. To make a product selection process more efficient, you can use our search and filtering system. If you're familiar with Shopify, you'll find this system easy to navigate. Use as many filter rules as necessary to pinpoint the ideal products for assignment. I don't have many products in my store, so I'll assign it without filters. Simply select the product to put into the recommendation step, and once you've assigned the product you want to recommend, don't forget to hit Save button. This ensures that your choices are preserved and ready to guide your quiz takers. Now, any visitor who reaches this step in your quiz will be presented with personalized product recommendations based on the selections you've made. That's it. You've successfully assigned products to your Askflow quiz, enhancing the overall shopping experience for your visitors. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our quiz support team. Happy quiz building!